The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, Michael, Dennis, thank you. Sight and thank you, Ed. Sight and sound is good. Happy Wednesday, fellas. Today is February 19th. Excuse me. Hope everyone had a great afternoon. Morning, Brett. Let's see what we're working with here today, guys. NASDAQ's off 10. ES is off 6.5. YM's down about 85 ticks. Russell's off. Crude's up. Gold's up. Par for the course. Good morning, Pascal. Happy Wednesday to you as well. Guys, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was a very good trade. We'll see if we can keep that going today. Not a ton of movement. Gold had a nice downdraft. Looks like it's trying to bounce back. Crude as well had a pretty good down move. Just looking around here, guys. I don't see a whole lot at the moment. NASDAQ looks like it's trying to come down. Good morning, Chuck. Yeah, we got a fair amount of snow over here. Dogs loved it. All right, guys. Volume right about average. We do have some block sales in here, or at least one. 29 contracts were sold here. Probabilities are we're going to break to 10 and looks like below. I'll show you charts after I read the disclaimer. We do have some 8:30 news, nothing that I think is going to be really market moving, building permits, things like that. Not sure if we have any Fed speakers today. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for. All right, we're off. I don't see a long. Sellers right on the open.
Sell side 172 million, NASDAQ 100 buy side 18 million, Dow 30 sell side 52 million, and Mag 7 buy side 6 million.
Minor support here at 33 area. That just has to break, and I think it comes right down. Anybody take the 89 short on NASDAQ? Your first target is 81. Yeah, hit 82. Guys, we're at 3,200 net sellers. They're selling the snot out of them. I'm going to short this. I just don't see how this can go long. The hell did that hold? $600 sellers in this bar. Over 600. What the hell? Come on. Are you kidding me? Let's go. They're going to get me out of this. Let's go. Come on. Couple more ticks. There it is. Target one. Need to take the low. Holding one. The bot is now short. Come on, NASDAQ breakdown. 750 sellers in the previous bar. I have no idea how this isn't dying. $168 is downside target. 168. I've gone even. 3,500 net sellers. What in the... Here's what we're fighting, guys. That trend line, we got to get below 76 and she goes. There it goes. $36 on the negative delta. This is just mind-boggling. Mind-boggling. I'm at 188.75 on the stop. Still holding. It's probably going to go on the next candle. There we go. 5-minute bar. $66. Target adjusted. Next target, $66. If I get another red bar, I'm going to drop stop down to 86. Don't take that. Nope, took it out. There are no buyers. They just bought it up off the value area low. Next 5-minute bar in 25 seconds. I'd like to see this bar somewhere near 7. Oh, I'm out. 78. Anybody take ES short? We just hit 30 half. 30 is target one. YM has a long way to come down, guys. YM short. You can short YM at 70. Stop is 525. Target one is 43. YM could come down 100 miles. Going to be out on. All right. $3,700. We hit 3,900. Some small buyers came in here on the Nasdaq, but we can't go. We just now what was support is acting as resistance. A couple hundred buyers here. They're trying to push this back up, but I don't think so. I'm watching gold for a long again. All right, so here's gold. Let me just show you gold. Stop on YM is 525 and target one is 43. All right, here's gold. You have an aggressive long entry here, 57.2, 57.3. You have a little more conservative entry here at 59.8.
Dollar and euro hits searching lows versus the yen last down 0.4%. And so for the dollar,
Nasdaq could get a bounce in here.
And down 0.6% and 157.945
above that 97 quarter. I still prefer shorts, but this could get a long here back up to close to VWAP at 21. YM bouncing, but we're in shorts. These are just bounces. Gold is the only thing I really like long. Crude maybe give us a short. Really slow here, guys. Here's your short on the NASDAQ, 76.75. There it is. This is really quiet. I'm going to short that 76.75.
Order submitted.
I guess I'm not. $500 tick has target 1.
Order canceled.
500 tick has target 2.
Order canceled.
Okay, flat.
Target filled.
That's ES, and my 30 target was hit on ES, target 1. If anybody took, that's on the algo. If anybody took the trade on market structure, you got target 1.
Target filled.
There we go, target 2. So the bot is going to be up about $1,400, guys, at this point. I'm going to shut the bot off. Okay, well, I'm not going to trade it anymore. This should now come down to 25. This should work down to 24, 25 area. $4,500 negative delta. Here comes
Order submitted.
500 tick short again on the algo.
Order canceled.
Target 1 hit. Come on, come get target 2.
Order canceled.
Okay, out. Okay, nice job, Eddie. Should get to 24, fellas, if you're short. So again, for those of you guys that are on trial, this is the last trade for me on the bot. This should be give or take $1,400 up plus this trail. Let me just look at some charts here, guys. ES is headed down to 24 if anyone is short. Hourlies on the NASDAQ, we probably get that 100 area. Every bounce up is going to get sold. This is just giving us an additional signal. Yeah, I would absolutely rotate accounts, 100%. Yeah, because, listen, the markets start to chop around now, 10 o'clock to, 10:15 to 10, 10:30 maybe. And they start to go a little sideways. They've established a range, and, all systems are going to take losing trades. Signal, right? Even if this were on, The fact that it's in a trade, it would not have taken another trade. There's my 24 target, guys. Now, if we break down below 104, this is going to be a free fall. I don't have anything below that 100 level. I mean, if we break below the, I mean, I do. Maybe 22,050. This is yesterday's low, so that's where we're headed. 0275. Nice job, Andrew. Yeah, I'm not in a hurry to take any more trades, guys. I mean, we'll see if we get her. I'm not selling the whole. We're at 5,300 on the negative delta. I don't see a path long. I'm not shorting the whole. I'm up 1144.50. It should be 1145, but for some reason, every morning when I turn on my trade copiers, it hits me with a 50-cent loss. And if I look at my, it's interesting because if I look at my trades, it's on a micro. I don't trade micros. I don't know why my trade copier does that. It does it for across everything. All my PAs are down 50 cents. If this is going to bounce, it's somewhere near 110. I don't think it does. I'm not interested in catching a falling knife here. I think we get to yesterday's low. We're oversold on the small time frames. We're going to get a bounce here. Gold, I have nothing. Crude, I have nothing. I've got really nothing anywhere. I'm not selling the bottom. That 52 might be interesting for a long.
Order stop filled.
All right. Original bot, couple of trades up 1,700. That's done for the day. I don't want to watch it. I'll do the video or the totals for the video from an order flow standpoint, or not order flow, but market structure standpoint. 1399.50. Call it $1,400. The original bot I shut off at up 1730. 500 tick, I have shut off 3 trades, 3 winners. This is on the algo now, up 1280. Algo 3-1, 1 trade, up 350. 3-2, 1 trade, up 300. And 3-3, 1 trade, also up 300. So we're green across the board. Is there anybody that did not make money today? I have anybody losing money?